Hello and nice to meet you to this new episode of Wigbit. This is the NAD multi-compact disc player 523 and I have it at the repair since long time and it's standing on stock, and the problem was then after I repaired it I cannot move the CD around in the circus. This is the issue, and the thing is that inside is a plastic part with a gear, and this big gear is, I think, so damaged, or I don't know. We must open it, and I would like to show you this, how to repair this. I would like to repair it, but I hope so I can. This big machine cannot come inside the camera optic. It's so big. I don't know why. I don't have a stative that I can film it. I hope so I can repair this in case of it's too difficult to understand. I must produce a gear, and this gear is inside here, inside this machine. First I disconnect this connector here, and then I open up the thing here. I must for the people they would like to do this, it's not so easy, and you see we have a lot of screws that we must remove. We put the tray out. Oh my gosh. We put this out. Look, and now we have it here. Look, this carousel, 2, 4, 5. And the thing is that this is working, yeah, but this part here, you see, doesn't work anymore. It's shaking around. Look here, not funny. It's shaking around, but I don't know what we can do here. Is that possible? I think it's disturbed here or destroyed here, and I have this here, and the problem was that inside is no it doesn't hold. Look at this, doesn't hold in the center. I have no idea how I can fix this. I repaired this one time, but this doesn't go into the corner. We must have it in the center. We need a little tube for this, and then I can fix this problem. But now you look here, this is, I think so, not good. Yeah, but how can I make a spare part like this? This is near impossible. It is, this screw is near 3, you see, near 3 millimeters. Okay, and this inside is 4.9. okay, 4.9, yeah, 3, 4.9, 1.9 millimeters. It's a tube. This is what I found. It's a small metal part, and it's in the high like this, yeah, you see, and this is not, I cannot go within, I must drill it up, but also I must make it smaller. that I can put this pin inside here. You see? It's not so easy, huh? First we take this, I think so 3 millimeters. Here we take this. Now I'm taking this driller and I hope so I can center it out. Good. And now, look! Perfect, man. This is perfect. And now I must. This is super. So short in so short time. And now I must taking the file and I must making this flat. I must working around. I take this and okay. Maybe it's easy taking all the second steps for the don't fall there, don't fall off. Look at this, it's not funny. Here I'm doing this and now I'm doing this. It's not so easy to insert it. Okay, now. Okay, now I'm doing this again. On every second edge. I hope so. I can insert it now. Look. Okay. Test. Super, look at this. It's inside. It's not that fun, but okay. Look at this, super, it's centered and exact in the middle. Now we will see. Now we will like to build in this. I hope so it's in the center. And we have it. Is that super? Comes. Here it comes. And I put it back. Oh. So better thread. Now I must install all this and hope so it's good. Come on. what I have here with this for questions. And I would like to insert these things again. The power plug in and on, and it's happened. Open. Okay. Can we skip? What is skip? No, not skip. Next. Not working. Doesn't work. Interest. Why? Huh. Take a little sandpaper here and would like to make these flat. It's not good if it is not flat. It is. Now we clean it with isopropyl and hope so it is working. Okay, and then we would like to lubricate it inside and outside, and hope so. This weak motor, I don't understand why they're using a 2-volt motor. So for what for purpose? Energy saving purpose or stuff like this. We would like to lubricate this inside. Clean it inside. Could be that this is wrong. Then I would like to lubricate it with this Nigreen. Somebody asking me, this is a 408153741456 or article number 74145. Okay. Here's a YouTube sign. It's special made for YouTube. Very funny. Okay, I must have I'll lubricate it now inside and hope so lubrication will help. Then here a little bit, put this cylinder in. Oh my god, it doesn't come in, it doesn't go in. Maybe from this side. Oh, it's interesting, don't want to go in. Oh, now it's going in and it moves. Now we lubricate the inside of this. Look, paint this with this. Now I put this in and lubricate a little bit here. But not on the end, huh? It's not so cool on the end because there is the, oops. Okay. Not on the end, I say. I don't want that this jump out. And now I lubricate, not here. It's okay for me. I would like to give that back, the motor. Assembly it And then we would like to lubricate a little bit here. Lubrication. Here. Okay, looks good. Clean my screwdriver and fix it. I hope so. It's good to go. No, it's okay. Everything good. Switch it on, switch it off. What it's doing now, and doesn't spin. Look at this, what's happened now with 7.7 volts. You see this? Up and down. It's a mechanical issue and also an energy supply issue. I have only 4 volts on the motor. Why is this on 8.7 volts on the IC that supply this motor, and now I have only these volts on the... I put a washer on it, and we will see if this mechanical issue is gone if I put a washer on it, but I must hold it with my finger. Not so easy, but I do that now. I put the washer, I distance it with the washer, and now we will see is this running good or not good. Hey, much better! Much better! Ha 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 ha! Maybe this is the thing what we need. Ah yes, disconnecting this. We have a drive-in. It's better than this, and we need a CD and put it in here, and closing the deck, and it spins up. Hey man, this is cool. And play. Yeah, it plays. A sound, we need a sound. So you can hear it. CD is working and the player is also spinning around. Sound came from the speaker. Well, that was the NAD 523 carousel changer with the washer repair. I never thought that this motor is running with 4 volts, but yeah, unbelievable. The plastic parts are now not so good, but okay, it's working. And the carousel are also turning around o'clock and anti-clockwise and so, or counterclockwise. Everything is working good. Also, I thought the amplifier was defect, but it wasn't. It was a mechanical defect. Yeah, and yeah. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.